Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's kitchen. Today we are making yummy pav bhaji dosa. This is very easy to prepare and very yummy. If you want to know how to prepare this pav bhaji dosa, then keep on watching. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. First I have taken a tawa and I am just sprinkling the water to maintain the heat of the tawa uniformly. Next I will spread the dosa batter and spread it evenly. To know how to make this dosa batter, I'll just mention a link in a description box. Please check it out. Add around half a tablespoon of oil only on the edges and make it very sim in very low flame. Now we will add our veggies. I am taking around half a tablespoon of onion, half a tablespoon of tomato, 1 tablespoon of cooked potato and peas. You can add any vegetable. Half a tablespoon of coconut chutney, 1/4 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, salt to taste. If you have added salt for cooking vegetables, cut down the salt here. Half a tablespoon of butter and 1/4 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to get that tanginess in our masala. Take a smasher and smash all the vegetables, onion and potato evenly with our masalas and smash little bit to get that pav bhaji texture. Once you have smashed thoroughly, just tap a little bit and smash again to get that consistency of pav bhaji. Once we have attained the desired consistency, take a spoon and spread the masala all over the dosa uniformly so that it doesn't concentrate only on the center of the dosa. Make sure your flame is very low throughout this procedure. Once you have spreaded the masala evenly all over the dosa, apply little more oil and close the lid and cook this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you can see the masala has nicely cooked and the rawness has gone. Cook this openly for 30 more seconds to get crispiness on your dosa. If you don't like crispiness, you can take out as soon as you open the lid. Now I'll just close the dosa and show you. It has got beautiful color. You can see same as a restaurant style. Very crispy, very yummy. You can see beautiful color. Crisp dosa is ready. I'll just cut open and I'll show you the dosa. This is very yummy. Kids loving and even the adults love this dish. You can serve this with a coconut chutney. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, subscribe and like to Arpita's Kitchen.